This is my system test. 2. New room unlocked. My room. Here we have a simplex and new police station, a notifier. Here in the bathroom we have another simplex and another police station from my old video. Here we have whatever this is called, the simplex and a light police station, and a simplex with a light and a strobe. Going to the stairs. This is where the simplex 2903 was. It's now 405080. Going downstairs to my first system test place. That is the tree that was now replaced with a 405080. Going downstairs, the place where it was at 4,000 blah 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 is now a horn, simplex horn. And here, near the control panel, I removed the police station and added this. Yes, another simplex 405080. Going here, we have the a simplex 2903, where that other one was, the one that I got from Temu. Well, here, let me just open the light. Wait, no need for light. Okay, and here we have the simplex 2903 that was there. Let's pull. Well, let's get to pulling. Where's the key? Similar shapes, marker. So annoying. The strobe on here. This strobe is broken, kinda. Totally flashes like a little bit. Oh, totally flashes like a little bit. Going downstairs. And the lights are off. That light bulb is actually broken. Weird. The system turned off by itself. Reset. There we go. Okay, this is gonna be continuous. Oh, yeah. bathroom. So echoey here, so loud. Going here, the strobe, and this annoying one. I don't think you can see it properly. How about now? That's the 4050 AT. That's the simplex. And that's the horn. Continue, or continues till I lost the rest.